Drag the missing letter to spell the word bug. G. Cool beans. Drag the missing letter to spell the word dog. G. Keep it up. Drag the missing letter to spell the word hog. G. Keep up the good work. Drag the missing letter to spell the word jug. G. Nice. Drag the missing letter to spell the word mug. G. Nice work. Drag the missing letter to spell the word pig. G. Super. Drag the missing letter to spell the word rag. G. Super duper. Drag the missing letter to spell the word rug. G. Oog. Sweet. Drag the missing letter to spell the word yak. K. That's right.